Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and I can't wait for you guys to see this tutorial and learn all about the struggles. My struggles, particularly with the concealer and making flames, because it's difficult, and if it wasn't for this handy dandy gold, I don't think it would be here. I would not be posting this. So thank you, Urban Decay. I'm going to give all of my thanks to you. So enjoy this video. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't done that yet, and enjoy. Just reminding you guys to like and comment and definitely subscribe so that you guys can see the new content. And here we go. First things first, going in with some primer. My mom just got home. Dogs are barking. I think she lied to me and said that she didn't get me Starbucks, but I think she did. She's too good of a mom. Oh, I thought you said sorry. Couldn't get me any.
I can take it back if you want.
No, it's fine. Thank you. I love you. Knew it. To start off the color, I'm going in with Stillazi's matte shadows in yellow. Just going to start packing that where I would normally put a liner and just kind of blending it upwards. I'm going to attempt to make the flame outline with CoverGirl's Whiteout Perfect Point Plus, because there weren't enough P's. And this way I can attempt at keeping this ombre yellow to orange within the lines, and then when I clean it up with a concealer, it won't be as difficult as cutting it out of a full blend on my eyebrow. This might go really badly. I'll be continuing this fire look with Stillazi's light orange in shade MS27. I will now be going in with Stillazi's dark orange, and this is shade MS28. After that dark orange, I went in with NYX's Bad Seed Rebel and just darkened up the creases a little bit, but made sure to blend so that you guys don't see as much red, as more of like a darker orange. I will now be going in with the Shape Tape from Tarte, and this is in Medium Honey. And I'm just going to shape the flames to finish this look.
you're mine for sure.
I'm going in with Goldmine from Urban Decay. This is their Heavy Metal. This is the final look that we end up with, and as you saw, it got pretty difficult and I gave up on this eye, and then I went back to it and was like, I ain't a quitter, you know? So I am super proud of this eye, and if you see any posts on my Instagram page, it will definitely be a righty over here. This eye, it came a long way, and I have to commend it, but it's still not my favorite. Thanks again for watching, and if you could just give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, I'd really appreciate it. So thanks again.